Okay, guys, so for Thursday and Friday, we are going to review matrices. We're just going to do a cumulative review of a little bit of everything that we've done. I've split it into 2 separate days, so the actual whole assignment might be like 24 questions long, but we're only doing 14 today, and for you that means 7 homework problems, and then tomorrow will be like 5 or 6. I can't remember the exact count, but I've broken it down into smaller chunks. Now this is all review. It's stuff we've excuse me, already learned. So you may not even need this video if you've been getting everything all along, or you may be able to skip through and just look at various parts. But like normal, I'm going to go through and do the evens. I'm going to assign the odds. It just spans a bunch of the topics that we've covered. And as you can see, I have the calculator pulled up because we're not going to be doing a whole lot by hand. So 1 and 2, you're going to be doing 1, I'm doing 2, of course. Write an augmented matrix. That's it. You don't have to solve anything. The augmented matrix is simply -5, 4, 11, -2, -5, 11, dotted line there, and that's it. Of course, you know we did solve these, but we're not going to be doing that in the long run. There's easier methods, which you may have seen already. So for now, just writing it as an augmented matrix shows me you understand what that word means, or what those words mean, augmented matrix. Okay, simplify. So there's different ways to simplify: scalar multiplication, addition, subtraction, matrix multiplication. You can use a calculator for all of this section. You can. It's totally okay. Now, to be honest with you, a problem like number 4, it's probably easier to do in your head than it is to actually take the time to type it into a calculator. You just basically have to multiply everything in here by 3. So it's going to be, what, 9, -12, 9, 3, -18, 12, and that's it. I'll try to make that look more like a 9. But that's all there is to it. So scalar multiplication, pretty easy. Same thing for addition and subtraction. Now I don't have one of each for you to do. I have 1 addition, 1 subtraction. I'll do the addition, you do the subtraction. But again, you can use a calculator. You probably don't need to. So 2 plus -1 is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus -5 is 0. -5 plus 0 is -5. 3 plus 6 is 9, and -3 plus -4 is -7. And that's it. Again, you know me, can't have anything that looks neat and tidy. Hi, champion. I got a puppy wagging his tail looking at me right now. Okay, so you can type that into the matrix calculator, or you can just do it in your head. Number 8, we did talk about how you multiply this row times this column and add them together, and that gives you this first number. Then this row times this column gives you that number, and this row and this column gives you that number. And I'm just wasting my breath because it's so much easier to use the calculator. So let's go over how to do that. New matrix, 2 by 2 is the first one. It's 4, -5, 0, 1. New matrix. This one is a 2 by 3, 2 rows, 3 columns, and that's -2, 5, -1, 0, 2, 4. Okay, and I need to multiply A times B, so A times B. And so -8, 10, -24, 0, 2, 4. All right. Let's see. Should I be checking myself? 2 is good. 4 is good. 6 is, yeah, good. 8. 8 is good also. So there we go. Number 10, I think for sure you want to do on a matrix calculator. So there's 3 matrices. First one is 2 by 2, -1, 6, 0, -2. New matrix, this one is a 2 by 3, 2, 6, 3, 5, 5, 1. And new matrix, this one is a 3 by 2, 5, 3, negative 4, 0, negative 3, 4. And what do we want to do? We want to do A minus parenthesis B times C. A minus parenthesis B times C. Oops. Well, look what I did there. That was a big mistake. Oh no, undo, 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 undo. Okay, where am I? A, yes, minus parenthesis B times C. And I end up with 22, negative 12, 7, negative 33. And check number 10. Oh no, that is not right. Well, seeing how I overdid, oh, I see my mistake. Okay. You see that 1 right there? For some reason I have a 4. I'm going to change that to a 1. And then that changes my final answer. I didn't have to retype a bunch of stuff in, so that's good. The calculator used a memory, or used its memory. And now it's right. So yeah, typed one number in incorrectly, threw everything off, went back and fixed it. Now it's all good. Okay, the last few are determinants. Let me clear the calculator. The 2 by 2 determinant is pretty easy to do without a calculator. You multiply this way, you multiply that way, and then you subtract them. Of course, that turns to plus, and you get 6 as an answer. Number 12, the answer should be 6. Where am I? Oh, over here. Yep, there it is. So cross multiply down, cross multiply up, and subtract them. Of course, you can use the matrix calculator to do that. So negative 2, negative 3, 4, 3, enter, and then I want to do A, nope, I'm going to do determinant A, and there it is, same answer, 6. Now the number 14, I did show you how to do this one manually. You gotta copy these 2 rows out here and then do 3 diagonals down, 3 diagonals up, and then subtract them. So it can be done, but goodness, let's just do the calculator. New matrix, this one is a 3 by 3. So negative 2, negative 3, negative 2, negative 2. These are weird numbers, but whatever. Okay, did I type anything in wrong? I don't see anything. So I'll hit enter and then determinant A. And I get negative 15. And there's the answer. So this is just practicing some of the basic matrix stuff that we've covered over the past several days. Tomorrow we'll continue this into more review. But for now, just do these odd problems, submit it. You do not need to submit both at the same time. Each half, today and tomorrow, are separate assignments. Each one is worth 10 points. So when you grade this one, be sure and put a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10 on it or whatever, and then submit it. Contact me if you have any questions. Hopefully you find this fairly simple and straightforward. Talk to you later.